Have you ever walked into a small apartment that somehow feels spacious, stylish, and surprisingly luxurious? And then you look around your own space and wonder, why does mine feel smaller than it actually is? The truth is, small apartments are not the problem. Design mistakes are. Interior designers actually use a few simple tricks that can make even the smallest home feel bigger, brighter, and more expensive. And the best part, most people have no idea these tricks exist. So in this video, I'm going to show you 10 small apartment design secrets that instantly make your space feel larger. Some of these might surprise you. Let's start with one of the biggest mistakes people make. Stop pushing all furniture against the wall. It sounds logical, right? Small room equals push everything to the wall. But designers actually do the opposite. When furniture is glued to the walls, the center of the room becomes an empty void, which ironically makes the space feel awkward and smaller. Instead, try this. Create a floating furniture layout. Pull the sofa just 10 to 15 centimeters away from the wall and place a small rug underneath. Suddenly, the room has depth and breathing space. It's a tiny change that makes the room feel intentionally designed instead of cramped. Use large mirrors. Mirrors are one of the oldest interior design tricks for making spaces look bigger. But here's the secret. Small mirrors don't work. You need one large mirror. Place it where it can reflect a window, natural light, or the most open part of the room. This doubles the feeling of space and brightness instantly. In designer apartments, mirrors are often almost floor to ceiling. Choose fewer but larger pieces. One of the biggest mistakes in small homes is too many tiny furniture pieces. Small coffee tables, small side tables, small shelves. It creates visual clutter. Instead, choose fewer but slightly larger pieces. For example, one solid coffee table instead of 3 small ones. A larger sofa instead of 2 tiny chairs. This actually makes the room feel calmer and more spacious. Designers call this visual simplicity. Use vertical space. When floor space is limited, designers look up. Vertical design is one of the most powerful tricks for small apartments. Think tall bookshelves, vertical wall panels, long curtains, and tall cabinets. These elements draw the eye upward, which creates the illusion of higher ceilings and a bigger room. Floor-to-ceiling curtains are especially powerful for this trick, even if your windows are small. Choose light but warm colors. Most people hear this advice. Use white in small spaces. But plain white can sometimes feel cold and flat. Instead, designers prefer soft, warm neutrals like warm beige, soft cream, light grayish, pale sand tones. These colors reflect light, but also make the space feel cozy and elegant. And when walls, curtains, and furniture stay in a similar tone, the room feels larger and more cohesive. Let the floor be visible. Another subtle designer trick is showing more floor area. Furniture that sits directly on the floor can feel heavy. But furniture with visible legs creates space underneath. And that small gap makes a big difference. Examples include sofas with legs, raised cabinets, open console tables. More visible floor equals more visual space. Use one statement piece. Many people decorate small apartments with lots of little decorations. But designers usually do the opposite. They use one strong focal point. It could be a large artwork, a beautiful pendant light, a statement mirror, or a bold chair. This draws attention to one place and prevents the room from feeling busy. And surprisingly, this can make the apartment feel more luxurious. Hide storage in plain sight. Clutter is the fastest way to make a space feel small. That's why designers love hidden storage. For example, storage ottomans, beds with drawers, closed-wall cabinets, built-in shelving. The less visual clutter you see, the bigger the room feels. Minimal surfaces create mental space as well as physical space. So if your apartment feels smaller than it should, you don't necessarily need more space. You just need better design choices. Try even 2 or 3 of these tricks, and you'll immediately notice the difference. And if you love learning designer secrets that make homes look expensive and stylish, make sure to subscribe. Because on this channel, we explore simple ideas that completely transform your home. And if you want, tell me in the comments. What is the biggest challenge in your apartment? I might make a video about it next.